What's something people don't know about YouTube success? It's all about the right tools, mate. So you've got VidIQ and Tube Magic, both promising to make you a YouTube star. But here's the kicker. VidIQ is stealing the show. Why? First off, VidIQ's been in the game longer, building a rock-solid rep. Seasoned YouTubers swear by it for growing their channels with data-driven strategies. Then there's the SEO and analytics tools. VidIQ's got AI insights that make your titles, tags and descriptions pop in search algorithms. And let's not forget competitor analysis. VidIQ lets you spy on your rivals, giving you the upper hand in your niche. Plus their AI-powered video suggestions, pure gold. They help you nail trending topics and up your engagement game. Oh, and there's VidIQ Academy, a treasure trove of tips and tricks for YouTube success. Perfect for newbies and pros alike. TubeMagic's got its perks, like automated ideas and thumbnails. But VidIQ's comprehensive tools and seasoned presence make it the go-to for serious growth. So, if you're aiming for YouTube dominance, VidIQ's your best mate. Stay savvy, creators.